Alright, this is the spindle that we're going to replace. You can see right here it's broke off. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this guy up on the hoist and get into that spindle piece. Alright, it's a little dirty under here, but you can see that there's some bolts that need to be removed. Okay, so this is the part that we're actually going to replace. Alright, this is the replacement part here. You can see this is the number that goes with it. It's a 54-inch deck. Alright, so you can see the difference. So let's go ahead and install this guy.